Good morning! A happy and blessed Sunday to everyone! And happy Father's Day din po sa lahat ng father and acting as a father. Diba? Actually, i-share ko lang ito kasi magbabiking tayo. Maybe somewhere in Manila. Maybe in Binondo or yung sa Binondo Bridge. But of course, gusto kong aura-aura na konti. Maglalagay ako nitong Slay Beauty Mascara and ipapakita ko din kung gaano siya katibay, katatag na kahit pawis-pawisan ka na, hindi talaga siya, hindi ka magmumukhang panda. Okay, apply na natin. Dito na lang, nahirapan ako. Hindi lang ganun ka linaw yung nito yung sa camera kasi hindi maganda yung lighting, pero later pagka nasa arawan na tayo, and sana tumila na ang ulan kasi ang lakas ng ulan para matuloy kami. Ngayon na lang ulit ako makakapag-bike na malayo, lagi lang kasi dyan sa tak-tak, diba? Ang ganda yan, kaya bili na kayo na Slay Beauty Mascara, Dream Lash Mascara actually, Dream Lash Mascara by Slay Beauty. Yan, ang owner nito ay si Leish Kiang. Second coat. Hindi kasi ganun kaano yung ilaw. And by the way, it's just around 4 AM. Magko 4 AM na. Pero umuulan. Diba? Ganyan lang. Tapos, gusto ko sa yung look na parang natural lang. Pero ang ganda niya. In person. Share ko sa inyo later kapag nasa kalsada na tayo. Sana matuloy at tumila ang ulan. Bye for now. See you later.
Naka-mountain bike kanina yung ano eh.
Alright.
Tama namin ng linggo, di ako nakilala.
Good morning. A happy and blessed Sunday everyone. And happy Father's Day. It's June 16, 2024. And it's already 6:41 AM. And naandito tayo sa Ahon Coffee along Sumulong Highway. Ayan. Happy Sunday and happy Father's Day. And it's already almost 7 AM. And look at that. Diba? Nagpawisan ka na pero walang panda eyes. Hindi nag-smudge yung mascara. And look. Look at that. Happy Father's Day! Good morning! Happy Monday! It's June 17, 2024. And it's holiday today, Adil Adha. And it's almost 11 a.m. Yeah, good morning pa din. And we cooked again crispy pata. So ito lang yung upper part kasi ayaw namin yung bandang paa na. So yun talaga yung binibili namin part for crispy pata. Yan. And wala akong ano. Can you hear that? You know, it's crunchy. And that's our lunch plus gulay. Good morning, happy Tuesday, and it is June 18, tama ba? Yes, it's June 18, 2024, and it's around 9:45 a.m. Yan. Maganda ang panahon, hindi mainit sa ngayon. Let's look kung anong niluto ni Papa James. And nagluto si Papa James ng sweet and sour fish. Ang fish ay dalagang bukid. Since pork na tayo kahapon, nagluto tayo ng ano ba kahapon? Crispy pata. Yeah. Ngayon, fish naman, syempre. Have a great day. Happy Tuesday. Take care and enjoy. Good morning! Happy Wednesday! Nandito ulit tayo sa gilid or sa side the view ng bahay dahil nasa kitchen tayo at nagluto or tapos natin magluto. And today it is June 19, 2024 and it's around 9:20 a.m. and look, walang kahangin-hangin, sa totoo lang ang aga pa para maging mainit. Though, tapat kasi kami ng bubong, diba? Pero usually, hindi ganito kainit eh. Gantong oras. Well, we cooked that's beef stroganoff. Version namin ng beef stroganoff. Yan. Kasi gusto ng mga bata or gusto din ni James na yung madaming sabaw kasi nga isinasabaw nila sa kanin, 'di ba? So yun yung request nila lagi. Ayaw nila yung medyo tuyo. Usually dapat kasi hindi yan ganyan kasabaw. So again, that is our version. Based po yan sa panglasa at likings po namin, ha? So, yan. And, binigyan tayo na mga antipolo ni Mama. Sarap niyan. Sausaw sa asukal. So, there you go. Happy Wednesday! Kain na tayo. That's for lunch. Pila-pilang pag-kiss ni Papa sa kanya. Gustong gusto. Akala mo naman. Nagigigil ako.
Try.
Good morning and happy Thursday. It's June 20, 2024. And happy Thursday. Ayan, mahangin siya guys. Hindi mainit. And it's around 10:50 a.m. Mahangin. At nagluluto si Papa James ng pinakbet. Look. Yummy. Pakbet. Thanks, Papa James. Meron yung isa? Wow, dami mo anghang. Okay. Mahilig sa maanghang.
Okay na yan.
Ano yung madaming maanghang dyan?
Ito po. Ito.
Kay Papa. Baby, no. Magandang tanghali. It's around 12:30 p.m. and it's June 21, 2024. Happy Friday! Fun Friday! Ayan. Hindi tayo nakapag good morning today dahil busy tayo pagkagising. Madaming inasikaso. And madami tayong errands. And pag uwi ng bahay, nagluto tayo ng lunch. Ipakita ko. I made chicken wrap. Wait, pakita ko. Ito ang ating chicken wrap. Yan. So, tigdadalawa kami. Yung kay V, ang difference is dry yung gusto niya. Meaning, walang any sauces. Our chicken wrap is chicken. Obviously, chicken and fries. Tapos, ito yung my sauce. We have yan, chicken, bukan natin konti. Chicken and fries. Tapos spicy garlic mayo and honey mustard. Yan. And by the way, it's Jammy's birthday. Happy birthday, Jam! Let's eat! Take care and happy Friday! Happy weekend! Bye for now! Tere! CR po yan. Hindi po yan kwarto.